Let's code in under 3 minutes with Minecraft for Education. Click on Minecraft for Education and sign in with your school account. Put in your password. Go ahead and click play and go into create a new world with blocks of grass. Blocks of grass is great because it's an open world with no structures in the way. Create. Backslash and code is going to take you to integrated code build now. It used to be a separate install, but not anymore. This is great that it's built in. It may ask you to sign in. It may ask you to choose from Tinker or Microsoft Code. I'm going to use Tinker. And you can see already there is a large inventory of pre-built codes that have been created for various building structures. Let's choose checkers. You're going to see the list of sequence commands. It's great for tweaking through some of these sequences to learn what variables affect what. In this case, we're not going to change anything. We're just going to build a checkerboard with checkers as our first command at the top. Go ahead and click play. Your agent will then show up at your feet. You have to make sure that you equip that agent with some blocks. So go into E for inventory. Find, in this case, I'm just going to use some glass, black and white blocks. So I'm going to equip myself first. Then I will right click the agent and hand them over in this specified section. Your agent then will have those to build from. So exit out of that. And then to start your agent to build, you're going to type T for text and you're going to put in that first command, which was checkers, and then step back and watch them go. You'll notice that there are tons of pre-made code build exercises that are there. There were towers, there were pyramids, there were holes. What a great way to just see it in action and then manipulate the variables along the way to see how it affects it. So check it out and have fun.